Thank you very much. My name is Nyamira. I'm the CEO of Nakada. Today is a big day for us in terms of our compliance exercise, in line with the directives that were given to us by the Cabinet Secretary, the 100 days RRI. As you can see behind me, we have netted a number of brands of alcohol, most of which we suspect are contraband. We've also been able to establish through the various agencies that some of the KRA stamps being used here are fake, and in some cases where the stamps are genuine, the content and the brand does not match what is registered under that stamp. We have netted approximately goods worth 16 million. The investigations are ongoing. The owner of the property and the owner of the merchandise here is being followed. We've been able to identify where the person is, and as the investigation go on, we'll extend this to her other establishments which are in town to make sure that this illicit, contrabanded alcohol is taken away from the wananchi, because as you know very well, some of these drinks will cause deadly harm. I'd like to appeal to the public that if you know of anyone who's selling similar products, please get in touch with us. As Nakada, we have a toll-free number, 1192. It will be treated confidentially and we will act. We have a team on the prowl that is close by, and we can deploy within less than an hour when we get the information. Thank you. Thank you very much. We've noted that from the boxes here, some of these manufacturers are not licensed. As soon as we're able to identify the names of the manufacturers, as I speak to you now, there's a team that has visited 3 of the manufacturers where they are, and an investigation is ongoing. This is normally the eye of the storm. We are here, we've gotten a lot of information. Now we'll follow backwards to make sure that we follow the manufacturers to where they're manufacturing these products. As you know very well, this enterprise of illicit alcohol is a very complex one, and the perpetrators normally try to get ahead of where we are. And from the information we have, this operation is done in a very clandestine way. Even some of the neighbors were not even aware of what is going on inside here. So, but we've gotten a lot of information. We've gotten phone numbers which are now being exploited, and in the foreseeable future, not so long from now, you'll see people being apprehended and being taken to court. In the meantime, the KEBs are going to test the products. KRA will follow up on their side to ensure that taxes are paid for, and if they are found to be illicit, even this property will be attached under the Asset Recovery Agency. Found here at the onset of this site exploitation was not cooperative, but later became cooperative. He's not a person from this area, and he's given us a lot of information and insights on the operations of this illegal depot. We understand the owner is a lady, and the teams have already identified where she is now, and they're following up to be able to establish if there are any other areas where she's operating.
Okay, thank you. Mine is to say that the work of the police is enforcement, and at any given time, when upon support the agencies, that is Nakanda, KRA, Kenya Bureau of Standards, we are up to the task, and then when they are through, the police will go on with prosecution of the cases if there is any offense. Thank you.
Bwana OCPD, tueleze kidogo tu shughuli ambayo tumekuwa nayo leo hii hapa. Shughuli ambayo imewaleta hapa. Kama OCPD unasema nini?
Ile kitu mimi nasema through the intelligence sida tunapata with collaboration with the agencies, that is NACADA, KRA, Bureau of Standard, zinawezesha kupata kuleta manufaa mzuri ya kunasa hii consignment, na we are working on it because saa hii bado uchunguzi ndio imeanza saa hii.
Haya, asante.
Trigger.
Kanuna ile kubwa jana hiyo si apatumana kime sasa tumefungulia. Ndio uchukue zile ile utabakisha unakuachia kubeba maiki. Sawa. Kama ni yao. Kapani space. Hii consignment ni kubwa. Downstairs. Nenda vya alafu ngaka. Mode nini mtakaa nje kidogo. I'll give the what your press room king. Mtoa hii simu. Huyu mwanana. The mother of all. So I think you can take some the video and the photo. We can pictures. Some and counterfeit. What? So fungua hapa. Hebu chukua. Alright. Nikuwe na badge, ni video gani? Budi. Tuvae badge. Vae ni badge. Nikicheza mashata mfano. Mfano. Lakini ndio